is Group 70, and we are here to discuss more about global operations, the module number 7044SSL. And the aim why we are here is because of the group presentation for this module. And as a part of our group presentation, we will discuss more about lean operation in Walmart. By the way, I would like to introduce our group. So our group members are Adarsh Pradeep, Akhil Chong, Evin Vijay Raj. And as a part of this group presentation, we are going to discuss more regarding lean operations in Walmart. And my friend Akhil will explain it more about this one.
Hello, let me talk about lean introduction. Lean is the process of eradicating non-value added processes and activities to achieve the goal of having a system that is faster, more reliable, generates better quality goods and services. Lean management has its origin in Toyota production system that was developed in mid 20th century and aimed at eliminating wastes in production. This presentation is focused on the claim of lean management on Walmart to lessen their problems in supply management, pressuring dealers, market alignment, and many more. Let me introduce about the company. Walmart is one of the world's largest retail companies established in 1962 by Sam Walton that currently has more than 10,500 stores in 24 countries. The company traces its revenue to 6,011 billion in 2023, which supplied millions of customers daily. Walmart has pursued what is commonly referred to as the EDLP strategy. It effectively controls a complex supply chain to offer food, clothing, electronics, and other goods cheaply and efficiently. The reason for choosing this company um, because of the enormous global presence, which implies a complicated supply chain with a huge potential for lean enhancement. Some of the issues that Walmart, as a leading retailer and its distribution channels, experience include stockouts, supply chain issues, and mental structural problems, internal structural problems. Walmart, the world class company, has been accused of regarding its supplier roughly and not in the spirit of lean production in the following ways. The company has been accused of forcing its suppliers to offer product at a loss or product with reduced functionalities as a way of cutting costs and many other that point to the fact that Walmart should embrace lean management principles. This is the overview of Walmart. Um, Consequently, managing such aspects as a huge stock, a complex supply chain, and numerous products in thousands of stores is also an essential part of Walmart's operations. However, concerns such as having too much inventory, slow restocking, and poor supply chain still holds the company in check. Adopting lean system is directed at a frequent simplification, minimization of non-adding values activities, and optimization of efficiency and satisfaction levels. Then the models applied. The lean models used was operational defined based on waste elimination. More specifically, the MUDA areas include extra stocks, transportation, and overproduction. Concepts such as VSM and JAT reduce unnecessary activities and inventories in the supply chain by drawing maps of the organization and focusing on efficient procedures. My friend Adarsh will talk further about the presentation.
Thank you, Akhil. So in this slide, we can see it is something regarding railing. Something it is something like before the application of lean. So the some of the problems that Walmart may face before the application of lean are overstocking, which cause the company to hold large quantities of goods, so which incurred a lot of holding costs. Another issue the company faced was high stock replenishment times. which eventually lead to longer time gaps between the stock if the its stocking of the product. The longer transportation path led to higher fuel consumption and expenses. So while a vast number of internal processes affected decision making and reaction speed, some of these challenges embrace the creation of waste in the supply chain, which decreases the overall effectiveness and declines customer satisfaction significantly. So we are moving to the next slide. That is about post lean, that is after the application of lean. So if the Walmart plans to implement lean principles to minimize inventory waste by adopting just-in-time method, that is JIT, so which will reduce the holding cost. Additionally, transportation networks will be optimized for energy efficiency while ensuring fast delivery of goods. Value stream mapping (VSM) will identify and eliminate unnecessary steps in this process, and which will enhance internal efficiency. These changes will boost product availability and improve supply chain effectiveness, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction by providing the right product at the right time. So now we can move to the next slide. That is value stream mapping. It is something regarding freely. So first, I would like to give a brief explanation about the flow chart which is presented here. So this flow chart, it illustrates a production process. As we can see, it starts with customer demand through a forecast. The process begins with coils from McCain Steel Company being delivered to a stamping station, where parts are stamped and the proceed through two sequential welding sections, that is S welding 1 and S welding 2. Afterwards, the assembly process is split into two phases, assembly phase 1 and assembly phase 2. Along the way, production is controlled and coordinated by the Central Production Control Unit, which also manages daily orders and schedules shipping. The final step is shipping. So, dedicated by the daily ship schedule based on customer demand and production completion. So now we are going to look more detail about the value stream mapping here. So this pre-lean manufacturing value stream mapping shows where there is a hole in the production or control with the inventory, where coil stored for 5 days, and long cycle times between operation, including stamping, welding, assembling, and shipping. So the production control is centralized and carried based on a customer forecast as well as daily orders. And there are several handovers that cause a lengthy throughput. So constraint consists of changeover time, time loss, time taken in welding, and time taken in the assembly process. In general, it captures aspects of supply chain that can be optimized and areas that contain avoidable overheads. Now we can move to the second slide. In this second slide, we are going to discuss value stream mapping post-lean, that is after the application of lean. So like the previous method, I would like to illustrate this value chain mapping. So this value chain mapping that is post-lean. So this diagram illustrates a streamlined operational flow, which is designed to reduce waste and improve efficiency. It begins with just-in-time deliveries from suppliers, ensuring minimal inventory throughout a Kanban system and demand pull strategies. So cross-docking operation reduce storage needs and optimize transportation schedule, improve delivery time. The process supports lean restocking in store operation, enabling faster replenishment and greater customer satisfaction. Improved stock visibility enhances the overall customer experience by reducing wait time and increasing product availability. By integrating lean principle, the organization maximizes efficiency while delivering consistent value to both its operates and customers, which means the Walmart, if they're using this post-lean value stream map, so by establishing this just-in-time delivery, which will lead to the elimination of excess inventory to Kanban and proper cross-docking. So efficient transportation means delivery is done on time to stores. There requires lean approach to restocking. So the enhanced flow minimizes any interruptions and customer appreciation from better stock availability, and thereby integrate supply to demand at first sight. So now my friend Evin will talk more about the challenges.
Thank you, my friend Adarsh. Hello. Today, going to present you how Walmart managed to deploy lean principles in enhancing its operation. We are going to look into strategies adopted, problems they faced, obtained results, and suggestions for the future. Now, I'm going to the how lean principles can be applied within Walmart. There could be several obstacles in front of Walmart while undertaking lean practices. The ability of the implementing organization to adapt, that could be an issue to due to number of employees may be resilient to change and would have to be trained extensively to adopt innovative techniques. To recognize new process also require enormous training, and this is a time consuming and a tiresome process. Implementing lean throughout Walmart worldwide link systems will also prove challenging when prolonged with Walmart's expansive supermarket network, albeit with require a unity of efforts. Moreover, introducing to a consistent lean process for multiple stores located in different territories also remain a challenge at the same level. Now I'm going to talk about the strategies. Walmart can use several strategies to effectively adopt lean principles where in its attempts of creating and achieving lean culture and understanding of new procedures. There should be like institution of detailed training of its human resource. As management by in it was underlined to ensure that change the flow from top to bottom and formal to informal meeting with set agendas were employed for the evaluation and feedback, and cross terms were employed to ensure that all the entity departments were working in harmony and closely aligned with lean ideals. Now I'm going to talk about the challenges encountered. Some of the issues faced by Walmart after pushing for lean, including maintaining strict compliance to new process across the entire chain. Some of the organization members face difficulties in embracing change, particularly when the culture change towards the implementation of continuous improvement process. Further, the constant requirement for training sponsored by the organization led to issues. Measuring the efficiency of lean activities become interactive due to fact that indicates an outcome introduced by the lean strategies that have been periodically assessed to achieve continuous advancements. But last but not the least, measuring how effective the lean initiatives were proved quite complicated. Walmart had regularly monitored new signs and results that improve continued a task requiring continuous vigilance and adjustment. Now I'm going to talk about the post lean. In the period after lean, Walmart can observe an increase in work effectiveness in terms of low lead times and high inventory turnover. Tactics such as just in time, as my friend Adarsh told about the just in time approach, ensured that there was a little or no more than was needed in the stock, and logistic ensured a better uptake of transportation. In sum up with this, that the changes enhance the customer satisfaction regarding to this product availability and rapid service facilities to prepare Walmart's adequate combat market trends and consumer indication. Now the improvements and suggestions to lean. In order to improve lean, Walmart must continue to support employee education and its training to encourage consistent adoption of lean principles. It is also necessary to perform systematic overviews and alteration to lean practices because of possible shift in the market. Also, it amplifies the technologies like data analysis and can help in the understanding the supply chain performance and its trajectory to maintain the operational effectiveness while simultaneously increasing customer satisfaction. At last, I'm going to talk about the overall conclusion. By implementing lean principle at Walmart, operating effectiveness has enhanced through the minimization of waste and optimization of the flow of work. The implementation of just-in-time inventory and flexibility in logistics has improved satisfaction of the client and their ability to meet market needs. With such advancements, Walmart can continue with the current gains and survive key competition with their competitors. Thereby, thus it increased the engagement of its employees. Thank you. Have a nice day.